There are 4 seasons in Japan. Nihon ni wa Shiki ga arimas. The seasons are roughly same as in upper half of North America and Europe, that is spring, summer, fall and winter. Throughout the year, according to Hindu calendar, there are 6 seasons, that is spring, summer, monsoon, fall, pre-winters and winter. Before moving to seasons, we will be learning how can we pronounce months in Japanese. Well, it is fairly easy. We have already learned countings. If you have not till now, then the reference is up here in the I button. While counting from 1 to 12, we have to add gatsu, which means months in Japanese. Ichigatsu is January, Nigatsu is February, and similarly, Junigatsu is December. Now let us learn the seasons. Season is Kisetsu. Starting with winters, winter is Fuyu. The kanji of Fuyu means Samui, which means cold. The winter season in Japan is from December to February. The winters in Japan is cold and dry, with northern and southern region experiencing snowfall. If you are planning to visit Japan in winters, you can experience skiing, snowboarding and hot water spring, that is Onsen. Fuyu ni onsen ni itta koto ga arimasu ka? Have you been to onsen in winters? Hai, arimasu. Ie mada desu. Moving on to spring. Spring is Haru. Nihon ni Haru wa sangatsu kara gogatsu made desu. The spring season in Japan is from March to May. Springs are pleasant and not too hot. If you are traveling to Japan in spring seasons, you can experience the beauty of cherry blossom in their full bloom and to Hanami. The cherry blossom gazing gatherings is known as Hanami. Sakura o mita koto ga arimasu ka? Have you ever seen cherry blossom? Hai, arimasu. Yes, I have. Ie mada desu. No, I haven't till now. Haru ni o hanami o shimasu. Haru ni o hanami o shimasu. In spring, cherry blossom gazing gatherings are done. Summer is Natsu. The kanji of Natsu says Atsui, which means hot. Nihon ni Natsu wa rokugatsu kara hachigatsu made desu. The summers in Japan is from June to August. Summer in Japan is hot and humid. If you are traveling to Japan in summers, you can experience a lot about Japanese culture and attend their events and fireworks. Now let us see some examples. Natsu yasumi ni umi ni ikitai desu. I want to go to beach in summer vacations. Nihon de Natsu hanabi o mita koto ga arimasu ka? Have you seen Japan's summer fireworks? Hai, mita koto ga arimasu. Yes, I have seen. Ie mada desu. No, I haven't till now. Autumn is Aki. Nihon ni Aki wa kugatsu kara Juichigatsu made desu. The autumns in Japan is from September to November. If you are traveling to Japan in autumn, you can witness the beauty of Momiji, autumn leaves. Now let us see an example. Aki wa Momiji ga kirei desu. In autumn, autumn leaves are beautiful. So in which seasons would you like to travel to Japan and why? Comment down below. This is all for today's video. We have learned a certain set of vocabulary. Let us recall. Shiki is 4 seasons. Momiji is autumn leaves. Sakura is cherry blossom. Hanami is cherry blossom gazing gatherings. Onsen is public hot water springs. Atsui means hot. Samui means cold. Kimono are traditional Japanese clothes. Fuyu is winter. Haru is spring. Natsu is summer. Aki is autumn. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit like. Also comment down below your favorite season. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Guys, ये बंद करो। तो इसी बात पे आज हम सीखेंगे काउंटिंग। तो ठीक है, काउंट डाउन।